Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today's class I'll be teaching you how to give the adjustment for how to make the adjustment for goodwill at the time of admission of a partner, new partner. Okay, so we'll be doing question number 20 and question number 21. First I'll do question number 20. Just listen to the sum. I'll read the question, then we'll move to the answer. Question number 20, page number 177. Malati and Shobana are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:4. They admit Jayashree into the partnership for 1/3 share of profit. Jayashree pays cash ₹6,000 towards his share of goodwill. The new ratio is 3:2:1. Pass necessary journal entry for adjusting goodwill on the assumption that the fixed capital method is followed. There are two partners, Malati and Shobana. What is the old ratio is given there? 5:4. Then who is the new partner there? Jayashree. What is her share? 1/3 share of the profit. Whatever profit is getting, in that 1/3 will go for the new partner. Okay, and the new ratio is also given. What is the new ratio? 3:2:1. So old ratio is given, new ratio is given. What you have to calculate now? First calculate the sacrificing ratio. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. Question number 20. Calculation of sacrificing ratio. Old ratio is 5:4, that is 5/9, 4/9. New ratio is also given. New ratio is equal to 3:2:1. That can be written as 3/6, 2/6, 1/6. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old share minus new share. First find for Malati. For Malati, old share is 5/9, new share is 3/6. So that will be 9 6 54. Sorry, into 6 times. So into 6 that will give 30. Here 9 times. So into 9 27. So that will give you 3/54 for Malati. For Shobana is equal to old share is equal to 4/9 minus 2/6. That will be 54. So 6 times 6 4s are 24. Here 9 times 9 2s are 18. So that will give 6/54. Sacrificing ratio is equal to 3/54, 6/54, that is 3:6 or 1:2. Here Jayashree is bringing cash of ₹6,000 for her share of goodwill. That has to be taken by the two old partners. Okay, so what's the journal for that? Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay, money is coming inside. Debit what comes in? Bank account data. 2. Who are the old partners? Malati. 2. Malati's. Shobana's. Okay. Cash brought for goodwill, credited to old partners capital, old partner's capital account in sacrificing ratio. Okay, so what is the sacrificing ratio? 1:2. That is total amount. See, she is bringing 6,000. 6,000 into 1/3 for the first one, then 6,000 into 2/3 for the second partner. So for the first one it will be total she is bringing 6,000. So for the first partner 2,000 rupees, second partner 4,000 rupees. Okay. See, in this sum old ratio is also given, new ratio is also given. Use that, find the sacrificing ratio. What is the formula for sacrificing ratio? Old share minus new share. Find the sacrificing ratio, and the amount of goodwill whatever is brought by the new partner should be credited to the old partner's capital account in their sacrificing ratio. Question number 21. Okay. Question number 21, page number 177. Anu and Arul were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:1. They have decided to admit Mano into the firm for 2/5 share of profits. The goodwill of the firm on the date of admission was valued at rupees 25,000. Mano is not able to bring in cash for his share of goodwill. Pass necessary journal entry for goodwill on the assumption that the fluctuating capital method is followed. Since sacrifice is not given in this sum also, we have to sacrifice in the old ratio. Okay, so you must write like this: as the sacrifice made by the existing partners is not mentioned. Sacrifice is not mentioned. Okay, it is assumed that they sacrifice in their old profit sharing ratio. In their old profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio of 4:1. So sacrificing ratio is equal to 4:1. The new partner is Mano. Mano's share of goodwill is equal to, total goodwill is 25,000 at the time of admission. Mano's share is 2/5. So that will give you 10,000 rupees. Okay, rupees 10,000. But in the previous sum, the new partner was bringing cash for his share of goodwill. But in this question it is said that Mano is not bringing any cash for his share of goodwill. So what will be the journal entry for that? You must write like this. So first put the format: date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay, put rupees. So Mano is not bringing cash, so Mano's account should be debited. Mano's capital account, it is fixed capital method. So Mano's capital account data to the old partners Anu and Arul. So to Anu's capital account, to Arul's capital account. Okay, so right, so must write is not bringing cash. So Manoj's share of goodwill credited to old partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio. Okay, so Manoj's share is 10,000. What is the sacrificing ratio? 4:1. So that will be 10,000 into 4/5 and 10,000 into 1/5. So the first partner will be getting 8,000, second partner will be getting 2,000. Okay, hope you understood, children. Sacrifice is not given, so the old ratio, that is the 4:1, that is taken as assumed as the sacrificing ratio 4:1. Okay, Manoj's share of goodwill, how you have to find? What is the total value of goodwill? Total value of goodwill is 25,000. His share is 2/5. So multiply that, you will get 10,000 rupees is the Manoj's share. But it is told in the question that Manoj is not bringing any cash for his share of goodwill. So that will be Manoj's capital account data debit to the old partner's capital account should be credited in the sacrificing ratio. Okay. Hope you understood, children. Thank you.